If she exists only on a screen, I'll build her in the real world. Today, I proudly present Project AURORA Prime, our next-generation autonomous humanoid AI platform. AURORA Prime combines a quantum AI brain, human-inspired neural architecture, artificial muscles, intelligent vision, and an integrated vector flight system. AURORA Prime follows a fully modular architecture, allowing every major system to be independently designed, upgraded, assembled, and serviced. Today, we start engineering AURORA Prime's outer skull architecture. The titanium skull frame is engineered as a lightweight modular structure. It provides the foundation for its future AI brain, sensory systems, and advanced neural architecture. Every masterpiece begins with a single precision component: AURORA Prime's titanium forehead support beam. The forehead support beam is aligned, laser welded, and permanently secured. Installing the optical neural backbone. This is for ultra-high-speed AI communication. Installing the nano power grid. Preparing precision processor sockets for AURORA Prime's future neuromorphic AI architecture. Removing the brain module to install the neuromorphic processor socket array with maximum precision. Removing the AI brain module for precision installation of the neuromorphic processor socket array.
Installing the neuromorphic processor clusters, the computational heart of AURORA Prime.
Installing distributed memory modules.
Connecting every processor through the optical neural interconnect network. Installing the neural signal controller to synchronize every artificial neural pathway. Installing the internal dual vision AI processors beneath the artificial cortex. Installing the central flexible neural backbone that links every future sensory system.
Installing the audio processing module for speech, sound recognition, and voice interaction. Installing the motion intelligence system for balance, coordination, and precise movement.
Installing the power, security, and diagnostic systems. These protect and monitor the entire AI core. Installing the flexible AI cortex and optical neural network that connects the entire artificial brain. Installing dual vision interfaces for future optical intelligence and visual perception. Installing the dual audio perception interfaces for advanced hearing and sound localization. Orthopedic-grade titanium anchor posts are installed, creating permanent attachment points for the future synthetic facial muscles. Engineers fabricate a biopolymer facial muscle frame. They use a precision titanium mold. Electroactive polymer, the primary contractile network.
Artificial myofiber bundles replicate the structure of biological muscle tissue.
Artificial myofiber bundles are woven into the electroactive network, increasing strength, flexibility, and lifelike muscle behavior.
Shape memory alloy wires are integrated throughout the artificial muscle network, enabling precise contraction.
Thousands of nano actuators are integrated throughout the artificial muscle network, providing precise control of every future facial movement.
Carbon nanotendons transfer actuator force, creating the foundation for natural facial expressions.
Thousands of embedded sensors continuously monitor muscle movement, force, and position, allowing the artificial brain to control every facial expression with biological precision. These biophoton fibers visually communicate the AI's internal emotional state by transmitting controlled optical signals through the facial muscle system.
Every synthetic face is custom fabricated from a digital anatomical model to ensure perfect alignment with the artificial muscle architecture.
Installing the precision titanium jaw assembly, providing the mechanical foundation for future speech and oral movement systems.
Installing the artificial tongue and acoustic resonance system, creating the mechanical foundation required for natural speech generation.
Installed beneath the future AI brain, the voice synthesis processor transforms digital intelligence into natural human speech while coordinating the tongue, lips, jaw, and resonance chamber. The synthetic facial skin is not permanently bonded to the skull. It is a precision-engineered facial panel mounted directly onto the artificial muscle system.
Every sensory pathway is now internally linked, preparing the quantum neural network for the arrival of the AI brain.
The neural dock provides the mechanical, electrical, optical, and cooling interface required to safely integrate the future AI brain. Engineers now install the primary neural interface and brain dock. The preserved human brain is now lowered into the completed primary neural interface dock. Every biological neural pathway aligns precisely with the robot's quantum nervous system. Thousands of graphene neural fibers are now connected. They form the complete network between the brain and every robotic subsystem. With every internal system verified, the rear titanium cranial plate is permanently sealed, completing the robot's fully integrated intelligent head module.
Temporary neural interface electrodes establish full communication with the biological brain, while the NeuroCool biofluid system begins continuous thermal stabilization. The NeuroCool biofluid network is now primed, initiating continuous thermal regulation to maintain the biological brain at a stable operating temperature.
Engineers assemble a full-scale titanium cervical vertebral module, precisely matching human anatomic proportions, before integration with the android's cranial system. Each titanium vertebra is precisely engineered around a reinforced internal core, creating the structural foundation for the android's cervical spinal system. The full-scale titanium cervical column is precisely aligned beneath the completed head, establishing the mechanical and neural connection between the cranial and spinal systems.
The cranial and cervical systems are now fully integrated. This marks the completion of Part 1 of the android's structural assembly.